Ready to start using Grok AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create your free Grok AI account. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the official Grok AI website. Click the sign up button or get started button. You'll be taken to the registration page. Here, you can sign up using your email, Google account, Apple ID, or even X, formerly Twitter. Choose the method that you prefer. Here, you can sign up using your email, and that's it. Now you have Grok AI account set up and ready for smart conversations.
Grok AI isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to stay current with what's trending, answer with personality, and even help you draft tweets or analyze posts on the fly. It's AI with an extra attitude.
If you enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.